Good morning. Welcome to Satsang. I am that which is aware of everything, which is aware of even the absence of the mind. It doesn't look like anything, so it's very difficult to to say anything about it. Yet its realization removes the search in the born somebody, removes the search, the belief that a certain search for a certain object, let it be objective or let it be inner, let it be an object outside or let it be an object inside. When there is no more belief that that will fill the loss or the sense of separation or a very deep anxiety of what is this life. So that search disappears. Other effects, I don't know. Doesn't look like much. But it's most precious, because then the life is just an expression of that. And all the illusions and the beliefs in ideas or in experiences have gone. Something about that you can ask me. Oui, Udava n'est pas là. Toi, tu essaies? Tu peux essayer. Ok, ici. N'allez pas trop vite comme ça, elle peut traduire.
Je n'ai qu'une peur.
I have a fear.
C'est d'oublier qui je suis.
It's to forget who I am.
Et la question que je me posais,
And the question I ask myself,
est-ce que techniquement, pour se rappeler,
technically,
on peut, quelquefois dans la journée, se poser 5 minutes
we can sit few minutes in the day
pour être sûr, pour...
To be sure
Qu'on ne s'oublie pas.
that we don't forget ourselves.
Je réponds en français alors. Ouais. Bon, tout d'abord,
First of all,
l'unicité de cette réalisation, c'est qu'elle n'est pas dans la mémoire.
the unicity of this realization is not, it's that it's not in the memory.
Donc, ça ne dépend pas de
So it doesn't
de la
depend
de grip, comment est-ce qu'on pourrait dire ça en français? J'ai oublié mon français. Hein, d'attraper. Donc ça ne dépend pas de prendre, d'attraper pour se souvenir.
It doesn't depend
Donc ça ne dépend pas de l'oubli ou du non-oubli
remembering or non-remembering.
ou de la réminiscence. Parce que ça veut dire que sinon,
Because it's mean that
vous avez acquis quelque chose
you
qui n'était pas
attain-
là avant,
you attain something that it was not there before.
mais alors il est lié à l'oubli.
So therefore it's bound to be forgotten.
Maintenant, c'est sans doute une mauvaise interprétation du mental.
Now it's misunderstanding of the mind.
Parce que justement la réalisation, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est de se rendre compte qu'on a toujours été,
Because
que cela, indéfinissable,
the
a toujours été.
realization of the self is that it was always there.
Donc, la conséquence aussi est qu'il n'y a plus aucune peur qui peut vous toucher,
So the consequences of that is that there is no more fear to touch you.
même si la peur de quelqu'un peut réapparaître pendant un certain temps,
Even if the fear may appear again in
For a while.
for a while,
qui est lié aux concepts d'antan, aux concepts d'avant,
which is linked by the time.
aux
The
concepts
concept
of
of time.
before, yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all. Vous ne devez vraiment plus intervenir.
So you,
You have no more to interfere. Otherwise, the mind, sinon le mental, va reprendre le dessus.
otherwise, the mind will take
Overpower you,
take
or
over.
yeah, take over. Mhm. C'est ici, pendant un temps, on peut appeler une vigilance. Maintenant, s'asseoir de temps en temps,
It is here the moment to be vigilant.
for a
For
while,
a
yeah.
while.
Maintenant, s'asseoir de temps en temps,
Now to sit sometimes
ce sera naturel
it will be natural
parce que vous tombez amoureux.
because you fall in love.
Il faut savoir que you have to know that cela n'a pas un aspect spécial.
That doesn't have a special aspect.
Aspect or forme. Même si je, celui que je croyais être,
even if I, the one
préfère quelques aspects.
I think I am, prefer some aspects.
Tout est cela.
Everything is that.
Mais c'est encore un joke. Hein.
On n'en sort pas.
It's again a joke.
Ce qui est essentiel, what is the most essential is not to land anywhere. Ne pas atterrir quelque part, ne pas former une plateforme, let it be an enlightened one.
Dans le flow. C'est d'être dans le flow.
On est dans le mental alors.
In the flow.
Ah, in the flow, dans
D'être
lequel...
dans le flow de la vie.
In the flow
Oui,
of
mais
life.
ne pas fixer, oui c'est ça, pour que quelqu'un
Yes,
n'essaye
that's it.
pas de posséder.
Oui.
Just
Parce-
that somebody doesn't try to possess.
Sinon, il forme une plateforme. It becomes a platform sutra. Where the pride can rest, if you don't allow yourself not to land anywhere, where the pride can show up, tell me now. Yes. Merci. Mais tu fais ça très bien.
You spoke about the reasons for search, and for me it's
You spoke about?
how we got in the search, and one of the reasons you said it's the anxiety for life.
It can be, depends on everyone how he will express
and
it.
For me this is really so, and Satsang over the years has reduced the anxiety enormously,
Yeah.
yet I see there is still a residue.
There is a tea?
A residue
A residue.
that is expressed as something in the life as a physical thing that I need to, and it still hooks me somehow to the person. Yes.
Yeah, but who sees that? What sees that? A person will always be hooked at something, it's even hooked to death. Why you want to remove everything? Then you die? Don't forget that to be freed, there is a beautiful image in India. They have two images for that. You had a ball, you throw the ball, so you gave it up. You gave it up, the thinking you are someone. But it has a span of life. What does it mean? Everybody says, oh yes, yeah, but what does it mean? Residues, it means habits, it means small things which fulfills on the way or not. Life, samsara. Why should you start to clean it up, to remove all residues? It's absurd. Because you have seen, I'm not it, it's part of the movie, which is not in my hands anyway. Don't start to do that, polish. You realize and then you want to polish. What is this? No. It's there, and then what? Don't worry, all that goes when you die. So you have some hope. Allez, go on.
Suddenly, I saw like that what you speak about, it's about no distance. It's like this habit to look at the experience and to think
Yes.
after all the. It's not about that. Like
No, it's not about
It's
that.
not about that. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't
Yes.
matter what will be experienced.
It doesn't matter when there is not the whole so-called power of I am somebody. Otherwise, for somebody, it matters.
Yes.
Even if he is cool, it doesn't matter, but then he cares about his cool. Well, so, you see, it's possible, it will be, when so I am somebody, is seen for what it is. Yeah, sure. And everything which is indicated in satsang is to try to awake that which is always awake, but not so-called veiled by the mind. Yeah. So great to see that. Now when you see that, what happens? What happens when you see see that.
It's like everything is in the proper place. It's like it's not. I am.
Yeah, but you see, yeah.
Like now I try to go to some I.
Yeah, but you did it already.
I did.
That's why I ask you.
Yeah.
You see, when you see that, you keep it as a right knowledge. Okay, now I have the knowledge, I have self-knowledge about the self, about what it is. Like it's kind of revelation. I say revelation because it is not about an object. So you see that, but you keep it, then again it will go and you will have another deeper one. But you can go on like this endlessly. You have to question, but who has seen this? Because otherwise you do the same. Again, what happened is more important than the subject. You see how the mind is really tricky.
You know, Ganga, when you speak like this, I always try to express the best from when you say when the question.
No, but I'm happy. That's why I can tell you.
Like when the question disappears, like you just remain where the question disappears, and don't. It's like so. It's like you see the immensity of it. It's like
an experience. Why you limit that to an experience? Because you see that your platform is vastness now. Another time it will be something else, again a platform.
So how to come out from this?
How to come out is not to come out. Just know. Vastness. Ooh, bells. It's the mind. I keep quiet. I don't go there. Yes. Instead of enjoying, you can do that later when you realize you can enjoy everything. But now, just not to be fooled again, don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Even if it was your biggest wish to experience that, don't go there. Come on. Otherwise, platforms. And then if you are on a platform, you have to jump, and then you have to swim, and again go back to the platform, jump again. I'm happy you express. Only like this you will learn your lesson, I tell you. Oh, be happy, it's good too. Yeah, don't worry. This mind is very, very cunning. He will want to remain the master by owning everything. So, you know, there are two ways to... There is this example, you search for your glasses and all that, and finally, oh, it's on me, on my face. So some will like so much the experience of that discovery that they will do everything to be again in those circumstances where he forgets. You see? And some, they will just... Wow, amazing. That's it. They are not after an experience. So, how long one can enjoy and be lost again and joy again. How long you want to do that? You are not happy doing that. Not really happy. Yeah. No, you take the mic.
As long as you have this, I have this need to repeat.
Everybody. This is the mind. The mind, he lives on repetition, on infinitely creating.
So I don't know what to do now.
I told you.
It's like,
Who is repeating?
Like how not to fall into this constant.
But I didn't tell you to fall anywhere. Just ask. But who is repeating? No, it was a new discovery. Okay. Who is repeating? And remain where the questions disappears. Don't do anything with that, finally. Discard comments, discard what appears. Tell me where you are now. I want you to show what is the mind. Where are you now? You're somewhere. Okay. So you are the seer of that. You are the seer of that. Now it's going like this. At some point there will be nothing anymore. But you have always been the seer. Yes.
What I find it, somehow I was starting to busy with objects. So I had this experience and this year, and it's just now I was attached to it, but I find why I'm busy then with the appearance with the body.
What's your name? That one is busy. The one I see is busy. What's your name?
Jula!
Jula is busy. Then why cannot he be busy? He is alive, no? You want Jula to be enlightened. This is the mistake, you see. You think Jula will be so much a witness that he will all the time see what is he doing. No, it's not possible.
But I find it's it's not possible. But it's when I'm busy, I start to do this meditation or something like this
Okay.
to be.
Okay,
To be
so
again
something wise in Jula doesn't actually allow that is totally lost into this. There is something which wakes you up. Yeah? Some indication which wakes you up. Okay. So when you wake up, what happens?
I find it nothing happened before.
Nothing ever happens.
And why I do this,
You ask the self. Why is expressing itself?
No, I mean why because yesterday I was also touched about surrendering. For me it means I don't care to be busy or not to be, because it's like this.
Yeah, but there is still I, you see.
Yeah.
As a I, as a I, who, as a seeker, who is no more a seeker, but somebody, okay. Of course you can get some wisdom. Oh, I don't care because I heard so much and this and that. I start to know the subject. But in the end, this is not realization. Realization is to start from where there is nothing, nobody, and at the same time this manifestation goes on. The start is not from that base, that platform. I am born, I've been a seeker, no, I start to be wiser, I don't really search, but sometimes the base is no more there to realize, when you realize, okay? So, is somebody too much still? Even if he's wiser. But don't worry. There is no much other way. Just wake up. Just wake up, you see. And every time those things happen, but just deeply know that this is expression. This is what shows up. And what shows up will show up in many ways. Still, do you see, there is an idea of how life will appear once you realize. And this is, any idea will be absolutely wrong and not fitting. Can you drop that idea? Yes, yes? Yeah.
Ghana, the seer is not a landing place?
The seer is not?
The seer is not a landing place?
If you do it, then it's not the seer. You see, the seer is the same as to say, I am that. What to say, I mean. The seer is not a landing place now. There is nobody there to land. And everybody is the seer. But a few take themselves for I see. It's interesting what you say, because I read that story, and I guess you too. When Papaji went to Ramana, he said, I didn't see you yesterday, what did you do? And quite proudly he said, I was playing with Krishna on the other side of the Arunachala. Is Krishna here? Said Ramana. He said, no. So he said, you are the seer, not what is seen. Ramana said that to Papaji. He just took it. He didn't go to his mind to ask if the seer is also a landing place. He just took it once for all. You see, we always confuse oneself for a state. For example, now, I don't know how you lived it, the silence, but I speak of me. It looks so much that, you see, it looks so more real than anything. And yet, it goes on changing. After I take a chai, I'm not in the same space. So you cannot be a state, even if it looks so much more like that. You are the seer. You are the seer who is able to see what's happening. And it is essential to know this, otherwise, you see, you will always run after those marvelous moments. And then what? Still a seeker, you know. And then you will try hard to go in a cave where there is no child, nobody, to have another state, and still you will see, boy, very difficult. Ay, ay, ay. Doesn't mean that we don't love this. Of course. But then what? Yeah. Is there, there is here a mystery. I speak of a split second to wake up. Because I tell you, in time, is there any moment that doesn't express itself? It expresses itself all the time, as long as we are in this body. All the time. Only, this I don't understand myself, you can wake up and that's, I don't know. It will not happen in your life to have many split seconds. No, it's just to wake up. Otherwise, it's always an expression of the self. Yes.
Hi, Ganga.
Hi.
To come back a little bit to the question about fear.
Yeah.
You said that even fear can appear in the ball that was thrown away, right? I'm
It can, some habits, yeah. Yeah, it's like, you see, you confused at the sunset a rope for a snake. And then you know that story, a friend or yourself go near and then you see it's a rope, it's not a snake, yeah? Next day, sunset, the same rope is lying there. You may still see a snake, but then you will laugh. Say, oh no, 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 it's a rope, I have seen it. But still, the first impression may have been, oh, it's a snake. Habits.
I was just reminded of something that Ramana said
about
when he was asked how would one recognize an awakened being,
yeah,
something like that.
Yeah.
And his response was complete fearlessness in any situation. So I'm wondering if you can comment on it.
I cannot comment. And first of all, fear is not much my thing. So I am not good at that. I cannot comment. I know some people who are fearless and they are not enlightened. I have no idea.
Okay, thank you.
About what you said, the platform,
Yeah.
and about, you said it's not about enjoying these moments when it comes,
Yeah.
but now I see something, because when I see or I feel, but again it's not well described,
Yeah, okay.
the eye dropped,
Yeah, yeah.
so there is,
Yes. Yes. It's not even that. Otherwise you will confuse what you are for that experience of disappearance or of big relief. In that way you see what you are is not subject to changes. Beautiful.
and then when it reappears again, I'm not that.
It's the mind. Undoubtedly, it's the mind.
But the eye will still reappear anyway.
Yes. Yes.
But you don't care of, like you don't...
But you know, it is this movie, it is the manifestation, yeah, of that. So of course it's that too, but you don't confine yourself to certain forms only, or states or experiences. In the body you will live the same, huh? But okay, it's okay. To come back to you, he said something true. It's not that, you see, no doubt about that. But it's like, you see, we read and it's true, but at the same time it's not as one experiences or thinks it is. It is said, oh, you will be invaded by joy and love and, you know, all the peace. You can say so. It's pure joy. It's true. But at the same time, you cannot avoid that the appearing I will live in duality. So this much is unexplainable.
It just sounds like all these things like joy or fear are things that are coming and going.
Somebody can experience that, as I said, no, that moment of let's say it was looking more like deep silence or peace. It comes and goes because it is experienced by someone. Now, at the same time, of course there is a deep peace of non-searching, of whatever. But this cannot be explained, or how it goes together. Don't ask me, I don't know. I don't know. So it may be better to speak in paradox then. Because otherwise, you see, you make concepts, and all those things are surely not addressed to someone. As I said, some people are amazingly fearless. And then what? It must be that it was a way at that moment to express something, which is also true. But don't make a concept out of it. Don't take it, okay, as somebody, it's a reference. Oh, I'm still afraid of a rat, so I'm not enlightened. It would be a pity, huh? Yeah. You. With what? What to do with what?
Surely I have a concept still.
No, I thought it was gone.
And I see this one, and
You're the seer. The seer, the fact to be the seer will not be the result because you see something. Let it be so true. To realize the seer cannot be the result of a sin. How are you? Good. You are listening to what I say? You like it? Me too. Okay. Yeah.
So who is grasping? So it's nobody? It's just the mind? Something comes up?
Yeah, but I is in the mind. I was a mind, is in the mind. Huh?
Yes. And so if the I is there, then the I is grasping.
I will always be in the mind.
I will always do that.
But you are not obliged to confine yourself in the mind. maybe good not to always understand. You see, if this question is given, but who am I? It is given in the movie, in the mind. You agree?
Yes.
This satsang is in the mind.
Yes.
Yes? And yet, don't ask me how it came, but it comes that we can ask, but who am I? So, let's say the exit of it, the answer of it cannot be in the mind. Otherwise you will be okay or satisfied with whatever. You would not ask, who am I? You will say, oh, I want to deepen myself, to perfect myself, to become this and that. But if you ask, who am I? The answer is not in the mind. Yeah?
Yes.
I, in the mind, ask, but who am I? Because in fact, is not only what he thinks of himself. So it's the best way to realize that in fact I is undescribable because I am it. I am it. And the one I can describe is the one who is manifested in the mind. And that's it, huh? So not to have an answer in the mind. If you have any answer, you just discard them. I'm not it, I'm not it. But you will make a concept of it. You will wait for. But what can I say? Till you wake up, till suddenly you are taken by surprise by your own inquiry. But don't make a concept out of it. It's just to express. The answer will not be in the mind. Yeah. And it's not in the beyond conceived by the mind. So you see this mind. Just don't go into your mind, that's all. Thank you.